Today I'm cooking up for you a spiced chickpea salad. We're using two great seasonal ingredients. We've got Australia's favourite, the avocado here, and some lovely cherry tomatoes. So let's get into it. It's about 200 grams of sweet potato. Slice it up into 1 centimetre chunks. We've got our frying pan on about a medium-high heat with a good drizzle of olive oil. We're just going to go in with our sweet potato and season it in the pan just with a bit of salt and pepper. We're going to leave that cooking away for about 12 to 15 minutes. So we've drained the chickpeas to help them crisp up. Just pat them dry with a tea towel. Then we're going to go in with our smoked paprika, a little bit of salt, some olive oil. Give that a mix around, and then in a second frying pan on about a medium-high heat for about 8 to 10 minutes. Alright, so that's most of the hard part done. Now we're just going to get on with the prepping of our salad. Our cherry tomatoes are halved, and we need about a tablespoon of lemon juice. Our potatoes are coming along nicely. We're going to add some almonds, our lemon yogurt dressing. So just get your lemon juice that you've just poured. Take the chickpeas and the sweet potato off the heat. Get the rest of our salad going. So we've just got some mixed salad leaves here, about 60 grams. We go in with our cherry tomatoes. With our nicely pre-diced avo, we can just scoop that straight out and into the bowl and pour them straight in. And then our chickpeas. So now we're just going to dress the salad. If you like a little bit sweeter, just a little pinch of brown sugar, salt and pepper, and then just toss that through. And then we're ready to serve it up. Thanks very much.